Hi guys! Today, we're learning how to fix login errors on Binance. First of all, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen. Now check your internet connection because login issues are often caused by unstable networks. If your connection seems weak, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network or mobile data connection. Then try signing in again. Now make sure your internet connection is active and working properly. If necessary, turn Wi-Fi or mobile data off and then back on. Refreshing the connection can resolve temporary network problems. After reconnecting, test the Binance login page again. If the problem continues, open your App Store or Play Store. Keeping apps updated is important because older versions can sometimes cause login issues. From the store, we can check whether a new version of Binance is available. So let's look for the app. Now tap on the search bar and type Binance. Select the Binance app from the search results. This will open the app details page where update information is displayed. Check whether an update is available. If you see an update button, tap on it. Installing the latest version can fix bugs, improve security, and resolve login-related issues. Wait for the update to finish downloading and installing completely. Then open Binance again and try signing in. If the login problem is still happening, restart your phone. Restarting clears temporary system issues and refreshes background services. Once your device turns back on, open Binance and try logging in again. This simple step often resolves many app-related problems. And that's how you can fix common Binance login errors step by step. Checking your connection, updating the app, and restarting your device are some of the easiest ways to solve the issue. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below for more easy, mobile, and app tutorials.